we're back again, folks. Another pointless food review that you didn't ask for, but I got followers. Less than 200, but they're there, so something's right, because otherwise no one would watch. So we're at a place called Mod Pizza, and I am baffled. This is which came first, the chicken or the egg type of a scenario. So when I lived in Orange County, there was this pizza chain down there called the Blaze Pizza. And the first one opened that I remember going to in the Orange Circle by Chapman University, Gliselle and Chapman. It used to be a Radio Shack, then it became a Blaze. And it is like a build your own personal pizza. It's 11-inch pizza. That's what I was familiar with. That's where I had been to. So then I'm up here in Rocklin, California, right off of Highway 80. And I was gonna go to Cracker Barrel, but I thought, nah, I don't wanna wait for table service. I'll just go get my build your own pizza. And I pulled in and there it was, Mod Pizza. And I always thought Mod was the copycat. But then I did research right now on my phone before I started recording. So the Blaze Pizza was formed in 2011 in Pasadena, California. Mod was formed in Seattle, Washington in 2008. And I feel cheated and I feel like I've been living a lie because of the Blaze Pizza is almost identical in the way they do everything to this Mod Pizza. And when I go to the Blaze, I always do a build your own, meat lovers. So I put ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, classic red, pepperoni, Italian sausage, red onions, did I say that? And I add ricotta cheese and then they make their own ranch. And even the teas, they have like a special mango citrusy lemonade. It's like identical to the Blaze. Mod Pizza is what we're reviewing today, folks. So we're gonna pause the camera and switch it around so you can see what it looks like. $13.13 for this 11-inch pizza and drink and ranch dressings. And it is piping hot. They cook it right there while you wait in a gas-fired pizza oven. But you saw the flame, it was really cool. So now we're gonna do the review that we always do on the 1 to 5 scale. Terrible lighting, but we don't care, because you know how we do it here. Bad camera edits and everything, it's all off the cuff. Okay, so the first thing that I noticed that's different is the crust. The Blaze, so maybe just aesthetically it looks different, but the Blaze crust is more fluffy. This is very crisp. It's a very crisp crust, very thin. I got 3rd-degree burns in my mouth right now because that hot cheese. To be honest with you, if I close my eyes, I couldn't taste the difference. They taste the same to me. I'd probably say that I don't know, like this thin, crunchy crust. I think I like the Blaze crust better. It's a little more fluffy. This tastes like the crust tastes like the unleavened Passover bread. The matzah, I think they call it. That flat, crackery, like, it just is not, it's not wowing me. But that was just that slice. Let's try another one from another part of the pizza. Maybe it's cooked differently. It's not terrible. I mean, it's fresh to order. And the ranch is good. It's like 3.5 out of 5. It's not like amazing, but it's not trash. It's not like Little Caesars or Domino's where you're just like, it's a $5 large, folks. It's $13 for the drink and the pizza, but it's of substantial quality and it's got more to offer. The ranch is homemade. So the crust is just not for me compared to the Blaze, so that might be what separates them, because otherwise they look identical and the flavor overall is very similar, but it's just the crust is a little different. Maybe you are watching and you have never heard of these places. Build your own pizza is a thing out in California. And if you've had one or the other, let me know which one you like over Mod Pizza. And then there's even other ones. There's like Pyology, Pizza Press. They all kind of came up around the same time. 2010, 12, right around there. It's a whole world of build your own pizzas. But me personally, I like one of those classic pizzerias where it's like $25 for a large, but you get what you pay for. Until next time, we'll see you then.